In the past couple of months, we've seen many new coins emerging in the market. As these new coins have come, the platforms that make it defeasible to trade them seem to have shortened. A recent example was that of Robinhood, as it crashed following a major spike. We will be speaking about a platform to buy, earn, and trade the best new crypto assets. Stay tuned till the end of this video to learn more about this portal. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Alright then, let us get into it. In this video, we'll be speaking about a relatively new platform that can be used for trading crypto assets throughout the world. This was founded in 2017 and had been developing since then. The mobile app is available on both Android and iOS, which gives you all the access to the best coins you want to, even before they start hitting the other markets. Their website claims that the investors using this platform have the opportunity to get access to the next Bitcoin. By that, they mean that for those who cannot invest in Bitcoin due to the cost of it, they may trade here at the future best cryptocurrencies available. They claim that the users will get access to the best new tokens before they get listed on other exchanges. Their manner of selection of projects is very peculiar, and they allow only the best ones for their community. The background they provide for the company is also something that is considered to be very important for them, while alerting you of the new launches that they make. The app gets updated frequently enough for the users to be safe while trading. The frequent updates ensure that the system remains stable and does not develop any loopholes that could lead to more troubles. The tools provided by this coin, even to the casual traders who've just started exploring this area, is similar to that of the ones that they give to the pros. This helps in bringing a level playing field between all their users and therefore helping each one to develop simultaneously. The simple and fast buy and sell tool provided by Coinlist will be extremely useful in all kinds of trades made through this application. One always has the chance to develop into a professional along with time, as they get their hands dirty with all the tools that the professionals normally get on other exchanges. The platform primarily focuses on the ones that are still emerging and have not been able to get their hands on other exchanges. This gives the users easier access than the others. It allows the users to make around 32% of APY through trading of NuCypher, CeeLo, and Flow. This can be done by staking the assets that will automatically help you gain the rewards. Apart from all that's also been mentioned here, Coinlist also provides the users with a safe wallet. A person may use that wallet to save the number of coins that they have with them. Having said that, it is imperative to know that Coinlist works with the best custodians like that of Anchorage, BitGo, and Gemini Custody. These are the other platforms that help the users of Coinbase to store the value that they have. They even ensure that the storage fees are waived off for a variety of coins, like that of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a lot more. The list of this will continue to expand as the application develops with time. Apart from all that's already been mentioned, it allows you to convert your Bitcoin instantly to WBTC and deploy it on the Compound and other top DeFi protocols. This means that being on your mobile phone, you will be carrying your portfolio each time you travel. Therefore, you will never miss out anything of the same. Basically, this platform will have limited access to token sales and ICO offerings that will be coming up. Once you're a member of Coinlist, you will get access to all of these ICOs and the limited offerings. Under normal circumstances, the offerings being very limited, it is hard to get over $1,500 to $2,000 worth of any coin through an ICO. However, you may get access to higher ones if you're a certified trader, for which you'll have to contact the Coinlist directly. A lot of features do resemble Coinbase, and given the number of ICOs they receive, this application is much more efficient in terms of listing the new potential ones. The application ensures that none of the inefficient tokens are listed in them, therefore giving access to the best ones that have great potential within them. A few of the examples are their previous projects, as have been listed on their website, which are Flow, Nia, CeeLo, Solana, Cadena, Origin, and more. Many of them have turned out to have a really good future. At the moment, based on the data that there is on their official website, we can see that they've already have around $800 million being invested by 20,000 investors. This number is really impressive, considering an exchange platform that is so young. Having known this much about the platform, let us now get into how to use the platform in the most efficient manner. The process of creating an account and using the same is pretty simple. There are very few steps involved in the same, and you normally should not face any sorts of issues while trying to do so. Download the Coinlist application from the Play Store if you're using Android or any other relevant applications for Android and iOS. The first thing that you'll need to do is follow the direct procedures and get your account created. You'll need to get a KYC done. That will also be notified in the app while you register. This process can take a couple of days, so make your calculations including the same. Enter your relevant details and log into your account once you've completed the process. You'll be able to see your balance in the Wallet tab on your left side. Touch on that to see your current wallet balance. The Wallet tab also lets you withdraw or deposit all your wallet holdings. To start trading, you have to head on to the Buy and Sell button on the left side in the same column as that of the wallet. Touch on that and it will take you to the next screen. You'll then see two options, which would be to buy and to sell. Choose the desired option and head on to the next field. From the drop-down menu, choose the coin you want to buy. This will be followed by the currency that you will use to make the payments. You can use the US dollar, BTC and USD coin to make the payments. Enter the amount of your balance that you want to buy the selected cryptocurrency for. If you wish to buy for the total wallet balance you have, hit the max button, and your entire balance will be used to buy the designed crypto asset. Following that, you'll then see a preview order option, which lets you have a final look at the order that you're about to place before placing the same. Go through all the details once again and check for any mistakes. Make sure you're careful with the max option, as that could convert your entire balance into another cryptocurrency. Special care is necessary while entering values. Once you've reviewed your order and are satisfied with the details of the same, hit on Confirm Order. The process will take a few seconds, so do not panic or close the application. After a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation on your screen, which will include the details of the same. It will include the cryptocurrency you bought, the mode of payment, the fee charged by Coinlist, which is a minimum of 0.5% of the total transaction, and the total effective cost. You will then get two options under the order details. You can either trade or view your Algo wallet. The amount that you purchase can then be confirmed through the View Your Algo Wallet option. Touch on that and check your wallet balance. You'll see that the amount of cryptocurrency that you bought will be listed in your wallet. Now, in case you want to sell your coins, head back to the trade option and select Sell this time. The process after that is pretty much the same, and the max option is still available. So, once again, make sure you're extremely careful with that option. Choose the coin which you want to sell and also select the mode in which you want to get the value back of it. Follow the same procedures as last time and hit confirm after reviewing. You would then have successfully sold your coins. While you do so, keep in mind that you only have 10 seconds to confirm an order. Make sure that you review your order within the same time frame. Not doing that could fail the transaction and you will not be able to purchase or sell your desired coin. Another option, called the Token Sale option, will allow you to participate in the sales that are currently being offered. So keep an eye out on that tab if you want some tokens on sale. We hope you liked this video. If you did, then leave us a like and also comment on your opinion about this platform. Also, make sure you stay tuned for the next video we upload. Until we meet again, keep exploring.